Good morning, students of class 5. Again I came with the new exercise 9F. So in 9F, first one is what? Color to show how much juice in all. One has been done for you. So what is given? You see 0.3, that means this drum, let me increase the size and then you can understand it nicely. Okay, this drum is divided into total 10 parts and 3 part is filled, so 0.3, and another drum or glass is again divided into 10 parts and it is filled 7 parts, so 0.7. So if together added, that means the full glass is filled with 10 parts. That means full 10 part means only 1, exactly 1 or whole. Okay, similarly this one, you see these 3 glasses, here we have 0.4 liter. That means out of this glass, out of 10 parts of this glass, only 4 part is filled, and here 1.6, that means one whole glass is filled, another glass 6 part is filled. So on adding 0.4 plus 1.6 we get 2.0. so I have shaded 2.0 means 2 full glasses are filled. So this glass is also filled, shaded, this glass is also filled, that is shaded. Clear? Now this C number is the homework for you. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is add 23.11 plus 3.8. So 23.11 plus 3.8. 3.8, ones place there is no digit, so I have placed 0, and here in tens place no digit, so I have placed 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 0 2. So addition you know very well. Again here 3 numbers you see, 13.01, 1.1, 1.98. So 13.01, so 0.10, 1.98. So which places are not filled? So I have filled with 0. Now addition, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, plus 1 carry 6, 1. Okay, so rest of the questions will be homework for you. Again, question number 3, compare using less than sign, greater than sign, or equal sign. A number is what? 5 plus 7.2, 5.72 plus 3.80, and this side given 8.52. So on adding this we get 2, 7 plus 8 15, 5 1 carry, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. So here we have 9.52, here we have 8.52. So already I have shown you earlier that on comparing, first you have to start with the first digit. Here first digit is 9, here first digit 8. So naturally this one is bigger, so greater than sign will use. So E number is also done same, and the remaining questions will be homework for you. Thank you. Students of class 5, again I came with another exercise, that is 9G. Here given subtract. The earlier exercise we have seen, that is addition. Here it is subtraction. Subtraction of the decimal numbers. 9.32 minus 4.16. So 9.32 minus 4.16. So naturally if the number in the upper is smaller, we have to take it as tens, correct? So this 2 will be taken as 12. This 2 will be taken as 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now C number 7 whole, that means 7.00, and minus 4.32. So this 0 can be taken as 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 carry, again this 0 is taken as 10. So 1 carry means 3 plus 1 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, again 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. So remaining questions will be homework for you. Now question number 2. What should be added to 2.1 to get 10? What should be added to 2.1 to get 10? So that means from 10 we have to subtract 2.1. So on subtraction 7.9. So what do we have to add? We have to add 7.9 to 2.1 to get 10. See, if we do the reverse addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. So we got the answer 7.90 is our answer. Now 3 number. What should be taken away from 15 to get 3.96? What should be taken away from 15 to get 3.96? 15 minus 3.96, that means 11.4. What should be taken away? What should we minus? What should we subtract from 15 to get this result? So naturally we'll subtract the result from the given number to get the number that should be subtracted. So once you see the reverse addition, 6 plus 4 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 1. So that means if we 15.00 and 11.04, if we subtract according to the question, if we subtract, we will get 3.96. see, 10 minus 4 6, 1 carry, 0 plus 1 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, again 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 1 minus 1 it is 0. So we got, that means this is our answer. This is just to check whether our answer is correct or not. 4 number question is not needed for you. 5 number, application in real life. So what is given? Akshish's father drove 158.3 km on Monday and 79.8 km on Tuesday. How many kilometers less did he drive on Tuesday? So on Monday he drove 158.3 km and on Tuesday he drove 79.8 km. So on Tuesday how much kilometer less did he drove? How much kilometer less did he drove? That means less driven. That is what? On subtraction, see, 13 minus 8 is 5, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 18 minus 10 is 8, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 15 minus 8 is 7. So on Tuesday he drove 78.5 kilometers less. On Tuesday he drove 78.5 kilometers less. L-E-S-S, less. Okay, clear? Again see question number 5b. A bean plant measured 8.5 centimeter on Friday. It grew another 0.75 centimeter on Saturday. What was its height on Saturday? Okay, what was its height on Saturday? So Friday height was 8.50 centimeter and Saturday its height grew 0.75 centimeter more. So total height is 9.25 centimeter. Its height on Saturday was 9.25 centimeter. Clear? Again, C number. The thickness of one book is 3.8 centimeter. The thickness of another book is 2.03 centimeter. What is the thickness of the two books together? Total thickness is what? So thickness of one book is 3.80 and the thickness of another book is 2.03 centimeters. So total thickness is on addition 5.83 centimeter. Okay, so now chapter checkup will be homework for you. Chapter checkup, page number 19, will be homework for you, and solve and send in my telegram number. Clear?